What up, y'all? Got some new riding boots right here. I'm about to shuffle, man. The Fly Racing riding boots, the Mavericks right here. Haven't even broken them in yet. Haven't even worn them yet. About to get some use into them today, though. But y'all see what these things is looking like, man. Been waiting to use them, though. And I'm gonna do like a little video right here after I show y'all what they look like. Just the black trimmed in the white. Well, most of my outfits are anyway. Black with a little bit of white in them. Got the straps on the side. What, 4 straps on the side there? Oh yeah. But I'm gonna do a review, tell you how they feel like riding in them, cause I've never rode in actual riding boots before. It looks like they feel a little bit bulkier. They all real heavy, feels like. But yeah, that's what they look like right there, man. I'm gonna give y'all another little review after I use them, break them in real quick. Got the boots on out here, y'all. I'm trying to get used to them, man. They hard to get used to though. Out here getting it though. About to hit up these tracks a couple more right quick though. See? Let's go. I'll give y'all another recap on my boots, man. Been wearing them all day today. I'm actually getting used to them. They ain't half bad. I adjusted my shift lever a little bit. I adjusted it on my quad, but I haven't adjusted on my dirt bike. They don't feel half bad on my dirt bike though. Getting used to the boots, man. I actually learned how to actually walk in them. They still out here cutting up. Oh yeah. I'm about to be out here though. Just want to give y'all another update on the boots, man. I'm actually starting to get used to them now. I'm starting to break them. I think I just had to break them in. I can see them starting to give a little bit, like actually flexing a little bit now. When I first got them, they was too stiff. First time I wore them, but now I'm actually starting to break them in. They feel all right. I'm getting used to them. That's all it takes though, just time to get used to it. That's about it. So if anybody out there, y'all got some boots and it's hard for you to ride like how it was for me, just wear them for a little bit, get used to them. Should be all right.